and welcome to ZANTE CALINICA Hotel. I'm about to show you the detailed room tour. My name is Mariah and you know I love to travel. In you come. So I'm going to start off with the bathroom. Here you have your walk-in shower again with the shower head, the one that you can with your amenities with the body wash. Here's the toilet, again, hand wash and toilet roll. And then I'm walking into the actual room itself, and this is the bed area with your lights either side, and as well as your vanity area with the mirror so you can do your hair, makeup, etc. After a shower or being in the pool, you can use a hairdryer. Also, the room comes with water. There is Wi-Fi and also room service there for you. The room does come equipped with your towels. So if you need a shower, these are your shower towels. And if you are heading to the pool, this is your pool towels. Again, nice little added touches with the decor. Here is your tea and coffee making facilities and also the mini fridge. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that the pool is always my favourite place. So, out we go outside. Here is your terrace area. So there is a table and chairs just over there where you can sit, chill, have a little drink, chat, whatever. And then you have your bed just over the pool, which is, as you can see, a direct sun catcher. This is the view that you get when you are sitting and chilling. This pool here is your private pool. Again, it is just exclusive to your apartment only. You know, I've got to get in. Hope you enjoyed this room tour. What did I look up on?
3 minutes.
Oh, that's fine. Maybe I should try that last bit again and see. Yeah, I should try the last bit again.
Why?
Because I was like, oh, maybe not. Yeah, that'll do it.